People think AI is just about chatting or answering questions. But in this video, I'm going to show you how AI can write a full eco lifestyle blog with images in places, product link added, SEO taken care of. This blog that you're seeing right now was done in under 3 minutes and I did not write a thing. Let me show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai. Once you're inside autoblogging.ai, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because this is where all the magic happens and it walks you through every setting step by step. Article title, I'm going to enter 7 simple swaps for a greener home and where to shop them. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but autoblogging supports 30 languages, perfect if your audience is global. For the article length, I'm going to pick medium because it's just the right amount of detail for list style green living content. Short is ideal for quick tips, and long is best for in-depth guides or pillar pieces. Here I'm going to pick listicle because we are showcasing swaps as clear numbered points, but here's what others do. Informative creates a guide style article helpful for explaining eco concept. Places is focused on locations, useful if you're writing about a local eco store. Service by landing pages builds a landing pages like book a sustainable home makeover. So listicle, I'm going to pick second person, so in that way it sounds direct and helpful. But first person is for more storytelling style content, and third person is more formal and neutral, like a brand voice. I'm going to choose conversational here because it makes the blog friendly, casual, and easy to read. Here's what others do. Here AI decide what fits best for your topic. Less AI words gives the article a human feel. Premium style one is better SEO structuring. Snippet optimizer frames your blog for Google featured answer. Witty adds a fun and a cheeky vibe. Professional is great for e-commerce brand blogs or editorial. I'm going to tick on all these 4 boxes. Intents optimize article. Now it enhances keyword structure. FAQs will add real eco questions people are searching on Google. AI images will add product or lifestyle photos, and infographics will add simple visuals like swap chart or carbon impact breakdowns. Now this one right here is one of the most powerful part. Autoblogging looks at the top blogs already ranking for this exact topic, and it pulls out the pattern, the structure, even the kind of section they are using, and builds your article to compete with them. So instead of guessing what works, you're building content that is already ranking on Google. You just have to enable this and quickly in the source context box leave a text that how you need your article to be, and also select the country where you need to rank first. Over here, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition uses proven block structure from top results. External link will add links to shop reference or verified data. YouTube video will add a relevant videos on sustainable swaps, and key takeaways will add a summary section at the end of your blog. AI proofreading, just enable this. The AI will clean up your grammar, structure, and sentence and flow for a final polish. You can just quickly leave a guideline here. Internal linking. Now, if you already have other blogs on composing or low waste living, then just enable this and add your domain here. The system will auto link to those relevant articles. Human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor's eye on it, just enable this and leave a note. Let's say, check product sources and simplify tone for new eco readers. So this uses a human proofreading credit. It's optional, but it's worth it. You can always purchase them from our dashboard. Now hit on generate article. Click on the history tab. Scroll down and click on the view like icon here. And your sustainable swap blog is ready to publish. want a faster workflow next time, then you can always go to Quick and Single. Uh, it's uh, it's already as same as Wizard but with fewer clicks. Or you can also try a bulk generate option. It creates from 10 to 100 eco blogs in one shot. Especially, it's useful for agencies or batch planning. And yes, you can even auto post to WordPress right from the platform. Eco blogging shouldn't take 6 hours or 5 browser tabs. Autoblogging.ai makes it fast, smart, and easy to scale with visuals, SEO, and structure included. And if you're managing a green screen lifestyle brand or you don't have time to create content every week, we also offer a done for you blog service where you can handle your client and we'll handle the content for you. Now, if you like the video, then hit the subscribe button, drop your next blog idea in the comment, and I'll show you how to build that.